pretend that I know half the hell you've seen, but that don't mean it's something that you're destined to repeat. Oh, you're stronger than you think. You know it has to end, but you don't know where to start. You can pack your bags and I'll meet you where you are. Oh, I'll be waiting in the car, in the dead of night, on that broken road. I won't let you walk alone. Oh, my brother, you don't have to follow in your bloodline. Oh, we got